Good evening, everyone. Thank you for having me. I am Sania Javed and I'm here to talk about a very serious issue mental and physical atrocities against women in Maharashtra. How can social organization come together to expose mental and physical abuse for women in Maharashtra? How can women become mentally and physically capable? As you know, Maharashtra is one of the five states that register in increase in violence against women in Maharashtra. It is very important for government to take action against such violence. According to me, in Maharashtra, social organization should come together. More and more NGOs should set up into women work women such violence. Organizations should help women to fight for their rights. These organizations can advocate to make violence against women unacceptable and for such violence to be addressed as a public health problem. Identification of women who are experience violence and providing appropriate referral and support. Government must have to appoint counselor in all the schools and colleges. Then women can become mentally strong. Counselor. Counselor means a person trained to give guidance on personal, social or psychological problems. Government must have to organize self-defense program in all schools and colleges. Then women can become physically strong. To achieve lasting change, it is very important to enact to enforce legislation and develop and implement policies that promote gender equality, allocate resources to the prevention and response, and invest in women. These organizations should look after education system for young girls and boys because nowadays it is very important that we educate every woman in our country so they can be become mentally and physically more capable to fight against violence, as violence has many significant and long lasting effects on physically and mentally health on women, which is dangerous. Sometimes it is easy to be mentally strong and sometimes it is not. I will say that all women are capable of being mentally strong. All and we can all find the best parts for our minds as we navigate through life. If a woman wants to be mentally and physically capable, then she should be confident and productive and should not be afraid to stand up for what is right. Look, last but not the least, I would like to say violence against women is not cultural, it's criminal, and an organization must look after this matter in Maharashtra. Violence against women is something that a government must fight for. Thank you.